So we're going to be looking at how to earn $150 on a daily basis. When you talk about daily basis, we mean it on a daily basis. Yes, if you're a love of some of making money online, if you're somebody that is there and you say, I want to start making money online, let us calculate. If you're earning $150 and everyday basis, and we give it around, let us say you are going to work 5 days, you're not workaholic like Christine, who is going to work 7 days in a week. So you're working 5 days in a week for $150. It means you are going to get some good amount of money, even if we cut it and put it at $100. So today, welcome to our channel where we uncover the best ways to make money online in 2024 and beyond. In today's video, we are diving into a unique and fun side hustle that lets you earn 150 daily by simply listening to music. You simply listening to music on SoundCloud. When we talk about this listening to music, we mean this music says la 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 lo 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 lo. Such kind of music, even the hip hop, the different type of music that you can listen to and earn money. Yes, you heard me. That is right. If you're looking for easy way to make money online, especially if you love music, this video is for you. Stay tuned and as we walk you through exactly how you can start making money with SoundCloud today. I know there are some nices, there are those doubting Thomases who are saying, Christine, really, is it workable? Can I get money when I'm listening to music? Yes. Now, not to cut you short or not to take you very fast, you can earn money as long as you have stationed yourself to earn money. You know, I've seen most individuals come to the comment section and say like, hi, which one is working for you? I've seen others saying, please, can you, in a comment section, someone comes and say, can you tell me exactly which one you've earned from or the best one? Others go to the extent of even private chatting me on my WhatsApp to ask me the best one without even going and trying. So that shows a lot of things. When someone asks me that question, I already know you. You are acting to be like just a follower. You're not acting to be like a leader. When I came to learn this social media, no one told me this one works better. No one told me YouTube gives enough money. No one told me this app gives money. No one told me Facebook. No. I listened to one content creator. I said no. Let me go and try it. And me, I'm a go-getter that when I start, I start. If I fail, I fail, and I try another thing. So you guys, to be a leader, you have to work something out, not to ask a lot of questions. Let's dive in and see. Meanwhile, I would love to say thank you very much for coming back to our YouTube channel. You make us and you make us every day. Now, the first thing you need to know, you guys, is understanding this opportunity. First, let me break it down for you how this one works. We talked about SoundCloud with listening to music. SoundCloud is one of the most popular platforms for discovering new music, and it's also a great place for artists to get their music out to the wider audience. I know some of you don't know, some of you think it is TikTok that you can make your music go viral. No, this is the place where your music can go wider, and reach a lot of people. What you might not know is that there are opportunities to get paid on this platform. You get paid by simply listening to the tracks, reviewing them, even curating playlists. This can be an excellent way to make 150 day from home when you're seated at home or when you're moving in a matatu or you're at the beach, wherever you are. You can do this. And above all, what interests me, it has no age limit. It is it is all even across the globe. The second thing you need to know is setting up the SoundCloud account. When you hear about SoundCloud account, I want you to go to your browser. Which browser do you really you're interested in? Me, I always use Chrome. There are some people who use Firefox, or others are using Google Play. So what you do, if you're new to SoundCloud, the first step is to set up an account. How do you set up an account? It is completely free, you guys. No one should ever lie you that SoundCloud is payable. No, it is free. It is free, and it only takes very few minutes to make this happen, to make you fill your profile through, and even you finish and access the service. What you do, some other services will require to be completed, to be completed on this form, and even it will go ahead to ask you ask you something to participate in whatever question that they'll ask. This is your gateway to making money online through music. I think I'm sounding clear and very clear for you. The third step you are going to do here is joining a paid review and playlist service. Now, the key to earning money is connecting with a platform that pay you to review music. I know you're there thinking which platforms pay me to review music. There are very many platforms that I'm going to be telling you. Even I'll be popping their links in the description of this video. You can go there and check these links from there. So what are these websites that pay you? Websites like Playlist Push, there's Sound Campaign, and others like rev.com. Rev.com is one of the best, with musicmatch.com. I'll be bringing this one by one in one video for you to understand. So for you, the moment you reach on this, all these one, they make you earn money by creating playlists and writing reviews for up and coming artists. These platforms pay you directly to your time, directly for your time and effort. They make it possible to earn 150 daily by listening to music on SoundCloud. Let's go to another thing that you need to know about earning $150 daily listening to music. For you, you need to before we go to how you can maximize your earnings, I want to tell you about the how you get paid. For you to get paid on this platform, the moment you reach your amount of money to be withdrawn, you are going to use a PayPal account, or you can also use your bank transfers. Now, the key to earning money is connecting with platforms that pay you to review the music. Websites like Paris and Push, they all pay. They all pay you by joining. After that, they pay you through PayPal, as I told you. Now, how do you exactly maximize earnings? For you to maximize these earnings, you need to understand what I'm going to tell you right now. It's essential to engage with the music you're reviewing. What do I mean by engaging? You have to listen. You have to feel it. And as I told you, you don't need to hustle so much. There are some websites I'm going to put also in the description, that gone are the days where you have to listen now and then. But the moment they give you, for example, to transcribe or to write the lyrics of the song, there's one of the website that you can go, that is musicmatch.com. Just put it in the you can go to musicmatch.com and put the title of the song, and it brings for you all the lyrics that you want. So to maximize your earnings, it's essential to engage with the music you're reviewing. Provide detailed feedback, be consistent, and explore different gears. The more active and engaged you are, the higher your chances of earning more money per week or on a playlist. For you guys, everything that you hear that you work money, I'm very worried that if you're not a go-getter, if you're not a person who says, I want to get this $150, you might not get this money. It's everything in this world. You have to be focused, you have to put a target, and you have to put your goals and say, I'm going to get this. Now we come to the withdrawing your earnings, like the word told you before. Once you have accumulated enough funds, most platforms allow you to withdraw your earnings through PayPal or direct bank transfer. This means that you can easily cash out your 150 earnings with just a few clicks. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can use your bank transfer. And also, if you want to make a PayPal account, put it in the comment section. If you don't know, then we can make for you a video about it. Listening to music and getting paid it sounds so crazy, but it is a dream that comes true. You know, this generation now, every time people are listening to music, when I always see on platforms like TikTok, people are there duetting, people are pushing people's music. Some of them are not paid, but they are doing it for fun. I'm like, I wish these people knew that there is a platform that can pay you by listening to their music and doing what they want them to do, you get your money. I wish they know. But now that I've brought it up for you, please, I want you to start making this money, please. But it's entirely possible with the right approach, you guys. If you love discovering new artists and enjoy sharing your thoughts on the music, this could be a perfect side hustle for you. Start today and you could be making money online and doing what you love. I'll be bringing for you more of this because I know majority of the people now these days they love listening to music. So I'm going to bring for you like more three websites such that you can make money out of it. If you found this video you guys helpful, but before you go that, you can go and download this SoundCloud app from Play Store, or you can also access it on App Store. It is both on all the smartphones. It's there. It is on App Store and it is also on Play Store for Android. You can go and download it. You can set up your account. You can either use your email or use your Facebook. If you don't want to use your Facebook, you can use your email, and you can go ahead and join. Fill as the prompts come, you fill them until you finish. Then you start making money. Guys, if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like it, share and subscribe to our channel. At least you can get more tips about making money without putting any investments online this 2024. Please don't forget to share this video. I know there's someone who might not have gotten access to it, but the moment you share it to them, it will be beneficial for them. Thank you very much, guys. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. And if you're watching me, don't fail to like this comment, because your like, your engagement matters a lot for me. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.